What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, be sure to check out watchjoshwiley.com. That's my website. You can check out discount codes. That gives you a discount on everything you buy from a few companies that my channel works with. And there's also a link beside each company that if you use the discount code and click the link to go over to their website, it does help out the channel a lot, so I'd appreciate you guys checking that out. Also on the website there are a couple of machining stuff that I offer. If you're interested in that, you can check that out, everything I offer and the prices that are with each one. And you can go further down, there's a messaging box where you can get in touch with me about that different stuff. This video is about something that I did for one of my customers recently, which is a subscriber to the channel. I've done a couple of different things for some of the subscribers here. And be sure, if you haven't yet, to give this video a thumbs up, get down in the comments section. And if you haven't yet, be sure to consider getting subscribed and check me out over on Instagram at the Josh Wiley channel. Now, I was thinking about doing this video a while ago and just never really had the time. But what I was going to do is shorten a barrel, and I decided I wanted to do that to my 50 Beowulf barrel. It's an 18-inch, and I wanted to take it down to 16, and I wanted to turn it into a bull barrel, which is just 16 inches long, and it's not threaded. I just thought it would look cool with the 50 Beowulf, with that big bore barrel, and if I ever don't like it and I want to be able to put something on the end of the barrel, I can always throw it back in the lathe and put a thread on. So the main part of this video is doing that barrel, but as I was getting ready to do this, a customer reached out to me, like I said, who's also a subscriber on the channel, and he wanted a barrel that he had shortened, so he sent it out to me and I shortened it, but he wanted the threads back on it. So I did that for his, and I featured a couple of clips of threading that barrel, so that's why you might be looking at two different barrels in some of the clips. So that's pretty much it. Now I'll show all of the clips of how I did it. If you don't exactly know what's going on, I put it in the lathe and used a parting tool and got the barrel to the length that I wanted, and then put a chamfer on the ID and OD of the barrel. And that was pretty much it with the 50 Beowulf barrel that I didn't need to thread. Then when I put the customer's barrel in, I used a parting tool again and got it to the right length, put the chamfers on it, and then I used a special threading tool, which I go and put the threads on there. So that's how I did it all. Now let's check out these clips of what actually happened. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Be sure, like I said, to check out watchjoshwiley.com for discount codes and machining stuff and all the pricing. You can reach out to me over there. And check me out on Instagram at the Josh Wiley channel, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, get down in the comment section, and be sure to consider getting subscribed here on the channel. That is all I have for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.